So it's that time of the year, guys, a brand new mystery gaming PC in the house, and this one is from Gigabyte. So thing is, a couple of weeks ago, Gigabyte reached out to me and said they'll be sending me a special custom pre-built gaming PC. And after that, it's been quite some time. I totally forgot about that. But today, suddenly, a brand new PC showed up at my place from Gigabyte, and as soon as I saw the package, now I got like super excited and took my camera and started making this video. Now, thing is, I do know that Gigabyte is sending me a PC, but it's like complete mystery for me also, guys, because they haven't told me anything about the configuration or what sort of gaming PC this is. So that is making me like very curious and excited to unbox and show it to you in this video. Now, one thing I do know that it's an Intel edition gaming PC, because Gigabyte was collaborating with Intel on this particular one, and this came straight from the MVP PC store in Hyderabad, guys. You might already know they're quite popular system integrators over here. They build like custom gaming PCs as per your requirements. You can check out their website. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. So that is it, guys. Without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. So here's our mystery PC from Gigabyte. Comes in this sort of box packaging, and by looking at the box itself, you can say that they went with NZXT's case this time. Okay, nice. We got to know about the case, but I'm still not sure about the specs or this PC's configuration. What did you guys send me, Gigabyte? Well, anyways, we'll get to know that only after unboxing it. So without further ado, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. And by the way, the video was sponsored by the brand, so a big thank you to them. Anyways, here it is, guys, our mystery PC from Gigabyte. Oh boy, have a look at this thing. Quite heavy, I can say. So what I'll do is I'll give you all a closer look and talk about the configuration. So this time Gigabyte and Intel have sent us a mid-range category build with a pure performance oriented theme. All the parts on this PC were chosen to offer like best results, at the same time keeping the prices down. And that is the reason you'll not find much of RGB today. It's a pure performance oriented PC in a black theme. And there you go, this is how the interiors of the PC look like. Very minimalistic and nicely organized cables. So let's talk about the components on board. It's an Intel edition build, as I've told you, and features Intel's newest 12th gen i5, the 12400 CPU. It's a 6-core 12-thread CPU, guys, with a max turbo boost of up to 4.4 GHz and is great for gaming on budget. You might already know that Intel's 12th gen CPUs feature their all-new performance hybrid architecture and is built for truly next-gen gaming and multitasking. And with the introduction of this new architecture, we get a brand new CPU design as well, featuring two types of cores, performance and efficiency cores, that work together and offer you a great performance with high efficiency, either it be while browsing, streaming, video editing, or even while gaming. And not to forget, with the introduction of Intel's 12th gen, you're also getting DDR5 and PCI Gen 5.0 support as well. So that was about the CPU, guys. Now moving on, let's check out the motherboard. Okay, for this brand new CPU, you'd obviously need a new motherboard, right? That supports Intel's new LGA 1700 socket. And in the house, we have Gigabyte's all new B660M Aorus Pro AX gaming motherboard. Now, this is a really good choice board with all the features that you're looking for at an affordable price tag. It's an M80X motherboard that comes with their all new 12+1+1 twin hybrid digital VRM design to unleash the full potential of the CPU and offer you like best possible results. Not only that, it's got an advanced thermal solution with a fully covered heatsink design over the VRM and the MOSFET area to greatly improve the thermal efficiency and cooling performance. And best part is, the motherboard also features next-gen connectivity. You're getting Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 on board with their special Aorus antenna. And not to miss out that super speed USB 3.2 Type-C port at the back that offers crazy fast transfer speeds of up to 20 Gbps. Woo! Now that is fast. For the GPU, guys, these people have paired Intel's i5 with Nvidia's RTX 3050 that offers 8 gigs of VRAM, and on board we have the gaming OC edition from Gigabyte. So you can do some excellent 1080p ultra gaming on this configuration. Talking about the RAM, they went with a 16GB kit from G-Skill, clocked at 3200 MHz, and has a 256GB PCI NVMe SSD from Gigabyte, all wrapped in NZXT's H510 Flow Edition case. And let me tell you, PC looks good, right? Despite having like minimum RGB on this thing, it looks quite attractive, class and decent. That is what I can say. I know you people are like eagerly waiting for the performance part, like how does this PC run for the price point? Well, let me tell you, it's a great build for 1080p gaming. And also, this is not something new for us, guys. We've already covered our review for Intel's 12th gen i5. You'll find a lot of benchmark videos also, guys, on our channel. But anyways, just to give you guys like an idea, in this video itself, I'll be playing a couple of AAA title games on this PC and show you how it goes. So as I've told you, it's great for 1080p gaming. You can easily play most of the AAA title games even at 1080p resolution at ultra graphic settings as well. And as you can see, we are currently playing GTA 5 at 1080p ultra settings, and there you go, we are easily getting around like 135 frames per second on an average. And in intense graphic scenes, you can expect around like 110 FPS. Buttery smooth gameplay, guys, didn't face any sorts of lags or stutters. And not just this particular game, even if you play graphic intensive games like Shadow of the Tomb Raider at 1080p very high settings, you'll still easily maintain around like 60 FPS on an average. So guys, I'm telling you, right, you can play most of the 2022 AAA titles also on this PC with around like 50 to 60 FPS at very high settings. You'll have a great time gaming on this configuration. So that is pretty much it, guys. This is what I wanted to show you in this video. A pure performance oriented Intel i5 edition gaming PC from Gigabyte. This is available on the MVP store, guys. It's around like 95,000 rupees budget. You'll get to know the exact pricing details on their website. I'll leave link in the description box below. So this is it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to learn a lot. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.